Welcome to the Department of Library Services. In this video, you will learn how to use all the information provided to you on the record of a print book. Navigate to www.library.up.ac.za. Firstly, to search for a book, click on the Books tab above the search bar and enter the name of the book or keywords relating to the book that you are looking for. You will then be presented with a list of results. Once you have identified the book that suits your needs, click on its title to view more information about it. Here, you will be presented with all of the information about the book. You can see the author of the book, which year it was published, and the edition of the book if applicable. You will also see a summary of the book, the contents, and the subjects covered in that book. If you click on Save at the top right of the record, the book will temporarily be saved for you to look at later. Clicking on Share will allow you to copy a link to the book or email the details of the book to someone else. If you click on Cite, you will be able to generate a citation for the book. Just select the referencing style and copy the citation. Always check the citation for any missing data and format to make sure the citation was correctly generated. Clicking on author names that are displayed in blue and are underlined will link you to other books written by that author. Similarly, clicking on a blue underlined subject will link you to other books related to that same topic. Other information that you can find is the database that the book is located in, its ISBN number, as well as the availability of the book. In this example, we can see that this book is available for borrowing at the Marinsky 2 Library on the Open Collection on Level 2. Here you can find the call number or shelf number to help you find the book when you have reached the library. We hope you found this video useful and that you will be able to use all of the information provided to you on a book record. Thank you for using the Department of Library Services.